Good afternoon, gentlemen. Hope you're well. Today is going to be a pep talk. Today is going to be some advice from someone that's been in DeFi and crypto over 5, 6 years. I can't remember exactly how long, but I've been in it pretty much every day for about 5 years. Now, interestingly, I made most of my money in the bear market rather than the bull run. For most people, that's very similar. Anyone that's been around 2, 3 cycles will tell you the same thing. I posted a poll on my Telegram, and many people were commenting saying I made more in the bear market, and all my friends in my private group say exactly the same. So if you're in a position where you're like, okay, I didn't play this well, this bull run where everyone thinks they're going to make money, you actually make it in the bear market. And I can't figure out exactly why. It could be the perspective of maybe, just maybe, it's gets rid of all the fake projects. It cleanses the market so you can trade better. You can kind of see, look on CMC, which one of these is actually full of shit, basically. Is Stellar any good? Is Zcash just a pump and dump? You get to flush out the market, and it's the same with the meme coins. The ones that didn't have any validity are going to be gone, and you'll be able to sift through. Also, it's not as profitable for the farmer devs, so therefore, they don't launch, they don't saturate the market. And there is pretty much the same amount of liquidity floating around. Believe it or not, it's just harder to get people to buy. People just swap to stable coins and wait, or they hold their, Ethereum or Solana and stuff like that. So that's the first bit of advice. Second is stay in the game, but you need to be different. You need to do something in the meantime. So what can you do? So what I would advise is you need an income source. So you need to build an income source no matter what that is. Yeah. So that could be you can start becoming a referral for projects. You can work with projects. You can, for example, something like Hyperliquid. You can get your referral link, start talking about that, show your trades, things like that. Become not so much an influencer, but people to use your referral links, recommend products. It should be a product you use. I personally recommend a few. I haven't done it for a while, but that's something you can build on in the meantime because you might not be trading. You might think there's nothing out there. I haven't got any cash, but get some cash flow in, no matter what that is. Second, probably the third is the one I would advise to do is to actually launch your own project because you're going to be in a position where the expectations are much lower and people won't put massive money in. And the only people trading now are going to be better quality holders. So they're not going to be the gamblers that are just constantly trying to find projects here and there. You're going to be in a position where you're like, okay, this one is crap, this one is crap. Like for me, I'm one of those investors that like to hold things that I can hold. Yeah, so when I'm actually still active, I might look at something like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the only one on that list where I thought they're going to be buying projects like this, older projects that are like, okay, narrative looks good, holders, volume, etc. Things like that. So you're going to be in a position where launching, what have you got to lose? Don't spend any money on your project early on unless there's money coming in. Literally deploy, put your LP, and literally just work on it until then. Or the other option is you affiliate with other projects and you shill, I don't know, like the Hyperliquid example. That's going to be your income source. You need to build it up. Also, you stay in the game, you get to know people, you build a community, things like that. And if you want to become a caller or KOL, afterwards you're going to be in a position where you've got an audience because they know you from your token. That's the biggest way to build an audience is to actually be associated with projects or to actually be launching your own projects. Quickest way to build a cool channel is to launch your own projects through it. If I get my cool channel and I launch every week, people love launches. It doesn't matter if it goes shit, people just like launches. There's always someone that makes money and you just get the ball going. Easier said than done, hard to launch, hard to get people to buy, but literally work on it. I've made a ton of videos on it on my channel as well. Now, the third thing is passive. So right now, LP farming, staking is actually viable. So if you buy Solana, let's say you bought it out $200, you staked it, you're losing your money. But now we have less downside risk. There's not a position where I can say there's no downside risk. Solana could be $12 next week, who knows? But you're in a position where it's already had major dumps. Like the most we're going to dump is maybe half in value rather than a 90%, 99%. So one-sided LP is an option for you. So you could look at, okay, I've got $200 spare that I don't need to touch. You literally come here to any DEX, any chain, any coin, whatever you want to do. You're better off putting your money to work than leaving it idly in your wallet. But we need a low risk strategy. So do 99% or down to $1. And what it's going to do is going to, if that ever goes through, do to $1 like so. And obviously I want to have single sided. $1 like that, and you'd put in 100,000, 10,000, $100,000. It will start to actually accumulate. Now the good thing is you're going to be accumulating a lot more Solana at these levels. Yeah, rather than 200. You're going to be earning triple what you would LP farming at the top, and you'll be getting the same amount of dollars as well. So this is a good way to accumulate. It's a safe position to be in. I've got LP positions from all-time high on many chains and many coins that I left, took profit at the top, and I put them one-sided down so I have an income source. The important thing to survive in the bear market is to have an income source. Now, if you open these positions now, sure, it might go down, but it might bounce up as well. So you can have two-sided positions or full range positions. Now, you don't sell these assets. So when they come in, just stack it. Don't sell it. Build it up, put it into other LPs if you want. Don't gamble it. Your position now isn't to protect your capital. Your position now is to grow your capital. So just keep adding. It's a cheap position. If you accumulate here and so does a 2x over the next 6 months, a year, you'll be in a nice position. Also, your $1,000 or whatever in here, Solana, it has to drop to like $30 before you even lose. And usually the fees will offset the losses down until you get to like $10, $20. Then you starts to hurt. But I can't see that happening. So this is why this strategy works really well. It just DCAs in. The lower it goes, the more Solana you accumulate. It's really good on Bitcoin, Solana, any big layer one like BNB, Ethereum. It's a good position to do in now. I'd highly recommend it. So in theory, just to summarize, literally build an income source. Either probably the fourth option that I'm going to mention is build a utility. So this is a good time to build. You know, they say keep building, stuff like that. If you have an idea that you want to launch, now is the time to actually get it up and running. Use Claude, hire someone to actually do it for you. You can talk to me about things like that. And literally, I would recommend doing all of them at once, seeing what works. Try and build your own audience organically, affiliate with other projects, then obviously launch. You'll have your channel, put some LP one-sided down, and then start to build your utilities that is actually going to be ready for when there's a huge amount of users. Don't care about the price. When the users are here, money flows about more often. And I wish you all the best, guys. I'm always ready to chat. If you want to have a chat on Telegram, just message me. But don't be disheartened. This is actually the opportunity. Like, you look at the market and everyone will tell you, oh, the opportunity is the bull run, we're pumping. It's too late then. You've already lost. Yeah, if you're buying when it's pumped, you've lost. And there's always a dream seller out there. There's always people telling you this and that. But literally, the opportunity is when the prices are cheap. You know that. I know that. We just didn't position ourselves greatly in that. But I've had many. This is probably the only cycle where I've actually sold the top and done very well. Put one-sided LPs and now I have income source and I'm stacking really well. So those positions that I put at all-time high, most of them are in profit. I think there's one at a loss. So just give you an idea, enough time in the game, you'll accumulate enough assets to be in profit on your profit. So I wish you all the best, guys, and take care.